Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can clean the cache and delete the junk folders and files from your Windows 11. So junk files and folder basically made by the system, not by you. So you can delete them and you can free up the space and boost the system performance with the cleaning up your system. So step number one, you need to open the run command here. Just search your run and simply open it. Additionally, you can press Windows plus R button and first command is temp. Press OK key or hit enter. Now these are all the temp files. This is the location. You just need to control A like this and shift plus delete button. Okay, press shift and delete button and select this option. Sometime it may occurs. Okay, now clean up, close this, again press Windows plus R key and this time you need to type here percentage temp percentage and press OK key. temp, press OK key. Now again these are the folders. You can see here lot of folders and files. Again you need to control A and you need to simply shift and delete, or you can delete it from here. Just delete all this option. So now this is the second command. Now move on to the next command. Again Windows plus R or right click here, open run, and this time we need to type here prefetch, prefetch, and hit the OK key. Again control A, select all and simply delete it. Now next command Windows plus R, and this time this is very important command, clean mgr, clean mgr, and hit OK. Click on OK. Now if you select these options automatically, okay, all the files and folder from these directory will be deleted. But if you select clean up system files as well, it means that if you have upgraded your Windows to Windows 11 or reset your PC, in the C drive you should able to see the windows.old file. So by this way you should able to clear that one also, since that is not needed once you upgraded the Windows or reset your PC. Now you should able to see the previous installation file here. Select all of them, okay, and click on OK button. Delete. Also you can press Windows plus R button and type here percentage local app data and percentage and press the OK key. So these are the files and folders which is created by your software. Let's say you are using any third-party software which is creating the lot of issues and lot of cache inside your these directory, so you can delete them, and by deleting them you have to start from scratch. I mean you have to do the login and other things with that. Let's say these are the packages. In the local directory packages, Mozilla Firefox, you can see here the profiles and cache. That is this option is not recommended for all the users, but let's say if you are using the Discord and inside the Discord you have some cache, so you can delete that. Not with the other things, you don't need to delete them, you just need to like the temp file. You can see here the folder squirrel temp, so we can delete it, but make sure you're only deleting the cache and temp files. If I reopen the Discord, I should be able to open it. See, so these are the ways to free up your Windows 11 from cache and junks and boost your system performance. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.